Oh, hey. Look.
Oh, hey.
Karen's using the lens as a blind, so she can't be seen. But, like, this video is going to be on photography and taking pictures of things without being seen, or at least setting up to take some good pictures. Anyway, we hope you enjoy it. Bye. Back to photography. We're using the van today as a blind to look at bald eagles and maybe fox squirrels and things like that. The van is a great blind. Blinds are used all the time by photographers when they want to try to blend into the background and not be seen and not have something interfere with their subject, in this case the bald eagle. Anyway, it's working out pretty well. She's not standing on the proper branch, so I'm waiting on that. Patience. You just have to have a lot of patience. The van's working out pretty well as a blind. I'll shoot some footage so you can actually see where we are. We're literally in the middle of a street. Very comfortable. And the door's slid open. And the eagle is in the pine trees behind the van. So you need to visit YouTube if you like wildlife and you like travel. And go ahead and visit Wild Journeys and subscribe and like some of the videos. That'd be really helpful. And then when we go to Yellowstone, which is coming up in less than 6 months, you'll be able to kind of tag along. So anyway, that was this thought that I had. Now I'm going to go back to viewing wildlife. Bye-bye.